Congratulations if you subscribe to if you are qualified for the Champs Right issue. And I think that information came for a long time ago. So I just want to congratulate you and also show you the potential, the what you are going to be getting if you actually participate in the Champs Right. For example, you need to be qualified. That is the first step. You need to be qualified. So once you are qualified, you need to take your right in a leading house. That is a house that is positioned to take in those inflow. And if you are in a house that is not a leading house, they can also connect to a leading house. So that is why I'm bringing this to you so that you can see the potentials and what you get in. I know the information has been there, and also we are also expecting. Let me not say that. Let's just continue. So that's what we'll be looking at today. We're going to be looking at Champs Right issue and the potential returns, and if you are qualified, how to know if you are qualified, and how to take position even on Monday. If you are qualified, you can fill the form, pay your money, and send it on Monday morning. And guess what? You are going to get allocation. The worst that can happen is you will not get allocation, your money will be returned to you. But guess what? You may get allocation. So without wasting time, my name still remains Investor Joseph, and you are welcome to the Financial Edge, where we teach how to gain financial freedom via trade and investment. So a quick one, Champs actually made this announcement. You can see Champs Holding PSC is conducting a right issue and private placement to raise 7.65 billion, with the right issue component offering 2.348 billion ordinary shares at 1 naira 70 kobo per shares on a basis of 142. And as of June 16, 2025, the application for the NGS listing of this right was submitted in June 2025. The capital raise, all these are just, those stories and all that. So the right issue closed on September 12, 2025. That is, it closed on Friday. But Investor Joe, they've closed on Friday. Why are you saying we should submit on Monday? Guess what? Even when they've closed on Friday, houses need to still gather what they have, make some report on Monday, and probably everything will be closed officially next week, Friday. So by Monday, Tuesday, you want to ensure that your book is set and everything is ready. So that is why I said you can do that. But let's quickly look at some key details. The offer price is 1 naira 70 kobo per shares, and the nominal value is 50 kobo, and the ratio is 1 new share for every 2 ordinary share held. So qualification date is you need to have Champs in your portfolio June 16th. 16th of June, you need to have that in your portfolio. If you have it before and you did not sell until 16th of June, you are qualified. Now, application to NGS was submitted June 2025 to approval and listing, and closing date is this. So this is the purpose of raising this money. So to improve operational capacity, to enhance the company's operation across its subsidiaries, and 2, to drive innovation, to support advancement in identity management, transaction switching, and payment solution, and also to build card manufacturing facility, to construct a state-of-the-art card plant. You get the point. And regional expansion, to expand into high growth market in Africa. So they asked, how do you participate? Eligible shareholders who held Champs shares out of these were invited to review the right circular and participate in the offer. The right issue closes, and additional, Champs is a pioneer in digital solution in Africa with focus on. So this is actually a good one. And the question is, what is the price of Champs today? So let's quickly jump and look at the price of Champs. This is the 4 hours. So the price of Champs today is actually 3 naira 25. 3 naira 25. So by Monday, the price can shoot to 350 or 345, and the all-time high for Champs actually 365. So for me, I think Champs is going to do some good numbers, coupled with the fact that there are a lot of projects that they might undo in the future. So the question now is, let's calculate some simple facts, some simple math here. Let's do some simple math. Let's say you are buying 2 million shares. So if you are buying 2 million shares, so this is three, this is, yes, this is 2 million. Yes, this is 2 million. So you'll be buying 2 million. Let's say we divide, okay, you're buying 2 million, that's multiplied by 1 naira 70 kobo. That is the price, 1 naira 70 kobo. So you'll be investing 3.4 million naira. That's what you'll be investing to get 2 million naira right issue. Don't forget, even though if you are qualified for 2 units, you can still bid for a higher numbers. You can even bid for 10 million units. You get the point. They will give it to you. They will give it to you. You can bid for as much as possible to give it to you, because not everybody is taking their right, and not everybody is taking the actual number of the rights that they allocated to them. For example, if they allocate maybe 500 million, or example 5 million, some might take 1 million, and the rest 4 million they will be given to those who are bidding higher, because people just need to take it so that they can raise this money and build this facility. And don't forget, they are also having a public offer also coming up after they are done with the right issue. So if that is what you are getting now, and you invested 3.4 million to get 2 million shares, so let's multiply that. Let's not multiply that with the current price. Let's now project that by Monday. Let's project by Monday. Let's say, let's not assume 10%. So let's just assume 20 kobo gain. 20 kobo. Okay, let's just assume 5% gain. So 5% gain will take this to 340. So at 340, let's come to our calculator. So we'll multiply the units. Let's take the unit again. Okay, let's clear this. The unit is 2 million units. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, multiply by 3.40. You know, it's 15. So if we add 30, 40, so 3.40. So don't forget, we invested 3.4 million. So your 3.4 million will give you 6.8 million. That is, you've made 100% profit. You understand? And what if by the time you are getting your shares, that is your 2 million shares, by the time you're getting your 2 million shares, what if Chams is now 5 naira? Then you'll be getting 10 million from your 3.4 investment. You get the point? So what if Chams is now 10 naira? You'll be getting 34. Oh, let me be sure. Let me not call figures. So you'll be getting 20 million. So if it is 10, you'll be getting 20 million. Yeah, you'll be getting 20 million. So how do you know if you qualify? So I'll drop a link to this. This is Champs Holdings Company, right? Issue participation form download. So you come here and search your name. You can come here and search your name and see if you are qualified. If you are qualified, you will download a personalized form. Just look for one name. Let's look for John. Let's look for John. Look for John. We don't know John. We don't know who John is, but let's just see if we're able to get. Okay, you can see informations about John here. So you can come here and you click download. You download your form. I don't want to download somebody else's form. You understand? So that is how you get your form ready, and that is how you get your personalized form. So don't forget, Champs is a good one. If you don't know how to get, if you are qualified, you sell your existing shares, sell it, and use the money to take your right. That's the easiest thing to do. You sell it and use your money to take your right. So this is an interesting one, and I think you can also participate in this. So it's a good one, and if you are interested and you really want to take part, you can reach out to me, and let's discuss and ensure your money is ready, your form is ready before 12 tomorrow, so that you can send to me and I send it to the right quarters, and everything will be well arranged and you get qualified. You know, we are Nigerians, sometimes, 9-minute rush, that kind of thing. So let's just get it off. So this is just an opportunity, a waiver for those of us who are getting this information late. Maybe it is now that I'm saying it that you are seeing the reason why you need to get it. So it's just opportunity for you. For the recap, we look at the information on Champs. They are giving their offer at 1 naira 70 kobo, and this has always been one key thing for investors. So it is coming cheap. It's coming cheap, and if you check the current price, it is almost 100% gain right now. You are almost at 100% gain. And guess what? They are not eating the money, they are putting the money in interesting project, and this project will bring more revenue to the company. They are building facility, they are also expanding, and also their card facility also will be ready for you to take advantage of. So this is just me coming to share you about Champs Right. We look at the price, and we also did some little calculation. And maybe you don't want to do much, of course. Let's work with 200,000, 20,000 units. So if you're buying 20,000 units at 170, is going. Maybe you don't want to take your ride before, but now you say it costs you 34,000, and guess what? 34 times 2, because that's what you'll be getting, if not more than. So it will be giving you 68. You say, Investor Joe, what if they release, they distributed, what if they distribute the shares? Is it not going to affect the price? But you don't know what the market will be doing then, and you don't know what the price of Champs will be by then. So it might not really hold water. Let's say Champs is around 5 then, or around 6, or around 10, and you have your shares. Even though if you are selling it and it's going down, you must make at least maybe 50, 100%. You get the point. So even if you are selling at 3 naira, it's still above 50%. Still above 50%. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post enriching videos like this. Until I come your way again, keep making money and keep protecting your profit. I love you, my friends, and there is nothing you can do about it. Hands towards salute. See you in the next one.